huh? Can we ride?
Really?
Yeah?
You're going with? We got a ride, guys.
How many seats do you have? One?
One, two? Two. Perfect. There we go, we're going. Yeah.
You good there, sir? Sit down.
Good.
Yeah?
Where did you come from?
United States.
Oh, yeah.
Ways off.
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. All right, here we go.
Yeah.
Hey!
Well, thank y'all.
You're welcome. It's a pleasure.
Beautiful ride you got here. It's a lovely day to be out on the beach.
Yeah.
Where are y'all from?
From France.
From France?
If you know Burgundy.
Burgundy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The wine.
Yeah.
It's just for you.
This is currently going online to the internet.
There's 1,000 people
slowly.
watching right now.
Slowly.
This is going online. Lots of people on the internet are watching right now.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
So I talk fast when I'm excited. This is pretty cool.
And I don't understand why you speak so fast.
Yeah.
My English is very poor.
Much better than our French.
Yeah.
You don't speak French.
No.
No.
Bonjour.
Other than merci, bonjour, bonsoir.
Is this your truck?
Yeah.
Or your truck?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You own it.
It's for my son.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You restored it or you bought it or?
Yeah. But she's from 1943.
1943.
Some parts. After there is a lot of restoration. Some pieces are French, but in some parts are from 1943.
Wow.
And my son is, comment on pourrait dire, he likes this part of story, and voilà. One day I can bought it, and I do it for the fun to be here today with my son.
Yeah.
It's,
This is your son?
yeah.
You're doing good.
Yeah.
So you do this often? I don't know how often they come around. Have you done this before?
No, it's the first time.
First time.
First time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Thank
so
you
much.
for letting us ride. Oh. The people watching say that your son is a good driver. Yeah. And they also say your English is great.
Yes.
Oh, thanks,
They can
thanks,
understand
very
you
good.
just fine.
And my son don't drink too, donc
Yeah.
it's a best driver.
Hey, Twitch chat, tell everybody hi and tell these fine gentlemen thank you for giving us a ride in their Jeep.
You're welcome.
Oh, wow. They said you have a lot of love for restoring this treasure. Your Jeep is a treasure.
Yeah. We can find some Jeep, but it's very hard now to find.
Yes.
We find French Jeep. After the American Jeep, the French build Jeep on the same case, but it's not the same motor, and
Yes.
some parts are different. And this one, it's a treasure, yeah.
It really is. Yeah, they say merci.
Merci.
Yeah, merci. Wow.
We're most of the way to Gold Beach.
We are.
This morning, my son was on the Omaha Beach.
Omaha.
Yeah.
Beach.
Oh, wow.
He drives the car on the Omaha Beach, and he take picture. It was just fun. And after, in the comment on dit le sable,
Right.
in the sand, the Jeep.
You got stuck.
Oh.
Oh no. Clearly, it's not stuck anymore.
Just one time in my life, I think.
This is the craziest thing. thing.
This may be the new craziest thing.
Yeah, this is the new craziest
Yeah.
thing. This is Willys Jeep?
Willys.
Willys Jeep.
Yes. Not the Ford, the Willys.
The Willys.
Yeah. You have the.
Oh, the plate right here.
Oh,
yeah.
right here.
Yeah, the plate's down here, yo.
No way I'll be able to zoom in. Kind of. That's all right. All right, and we're heading back.
So look at this view here. Wow.
Wow. Beautiful. This is our first time in France.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
First time. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Truly beautiful here.
We have a very beautiful country.
Yes. Yes, you do.
I don't know United States, but I think French is the beautifulest country.
France
of
is
the world.
certainly. Of course. Of course.
We're staying at Bayou?
Bayou. Wait, Bayou.
Bayou, the city, town.
We're in Bayou.
We're staring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's very nice.
We are at Colville, if you know Colville, the big American cemetery.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Donald Trump this morning.
Over by Omaha, right?
Yeah.
Or yeah.
Wow. Okay, hang on, we got some water features to go through here. Look at this. How you doing, Samer?
Oh, I'm doing great.
Yeah, right.
Amazing.
Hey, Twitch chat, if you have any questions, I can try to relay some questions here. Live from the Willys Jeep on the beach. Hey, EJ, what's up, EJ?
No big deal.
How you doing, buddy?
It's not a dream. It's reality.
It's reality.
It is.
That's true.
Somehow, let me pinch myself.
We are here today.
So are y'all just you just drive on the beach to show off, like to show the Jeep?
We drive for the fun.
Just drive for fun.
I've got a friend who we like to meet veterans.
Yes.
And we came here to see veterans, and after, well, for the fun, we can drive like this.
Right.
Be careful! It
Big
jumps! In my home, I do this.
Yes.
I take my car, I drive away with the picnic in the Jeep, and after I find a nice place, and I put my picnic with my wine.
Yeah,
Of course,
yeah.
French.
Oh wow.
It's raining.
It has been such a beautiful day. Beautiful weather today.
Yeah.
Really.
Oh,
Because
rivet.
it's, but this night there will be the wind.
Yeah.
A lot of wind, maybe. Careful. Yeah, babe.
Oh look, somebody with a heavy tripod and camera.
Jeez. Whatever would you do?
There is no option on the Jeep Willys, no option.
No suspension. Oh yeah.
It's the road direct.
Yeah. Yep.
We got a big bump here. Yeah, where did our people go? They left us.
Where is your friend?
They left us. Yeah. Oh. Should we hop off right here?
We should probably jump out here.
Yeah.
It's good.
Sorry? Yeah, this is good.
I think. Yeah, I
good,
think
yeah,
this is
okay,
good.
this is
Okay.
Yeah. Merci beaucoup.
It was a pleasure. Have a nice day.
Au revoir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Merci.
Bye.
Merci. I don't know if you could get some information on that or something, but that was the coolest thing ever.
What just happened?
What even just happened there? I don't even know if we have a signal or not.
We're good. 5400.